how was Manila back then as far as you remember?
As far as I can remember, Manila had one of the most pristine environment. Kasi it's like when I was young, if I would compare it when I was younger, you can really play around, play outside of your house and not worry about catching any respiratory illnesses. And you don't really have to cover your nose every time you walk around. Ngayon, when you walk around, there is a high chance that you will catch something. I'm not just simply saying it, I've already experienced it. For example, when I was still in Makati, okay, if we compare the environment in Makati and Manila here, there's a big difference. When I was still teaching in Makati campus, I was okay. But when I was transferred here, and because its pollution is high, I often have respiratory illness. Let's talk about environment and how it affects your health. That's number one. Second, another thing, the difference, when I was younger, Manila was not as crowded. Okay, now everybody's talking in Manila. So, even if you want to enjoy the scenery, wala nang chance. Kasi all you see are people, and maraming po. Chance talaga for you to enjoy the scenery of Manila. And everything, high-rise building na siya, Manila was unable to preserve yung historical part of Manila.
What's scary?
Batang-bata ba mo sa Manila na nakapunta sa part ng Manila? Siguro mga matatanda ko siya siguro mga 5. Tapos eventually na, doon ang college na ako, high school and college, doon ang wala. Parang siya, we can say na hindi siya ganito ka-traffic, hindi siya ganito ka-congested. At saka malinis siya nun. Ngayon, I don't think you would see a spot na talagang malinis.
I agree. Next question, what are the changes happened in Manila when talking about the infrastructure, environment, or places?
Like I said, with the infrastructure, everything has changed dramatically. Lahat skyscrapers na. Unlike before, preserve yung mga historical buildings. Now, the problem is, wala nang historical buildings, or if there are, it's not maintained. So, wala na talaga yung essence na Manila is a historical place. Wala na ganun. Talagang very much like a metropolis na siya talaga. High-rise buildings na sa condominiums. Wala na talaga. In terms of environment, like I said, pollution, napakataas na pollution rate ng Manila. Okay? You cannot even walk without being covered your nose. And as much as possible, parang gusto mo maligo na ano yung karami. Or with me, kasi parang maligo kasi napaka-pollution sa Alicabok. If I would compare it with other cities.
What about the nature?
Nature, ha?
Like trees, ma'am.
Trees, yun ang problema dito, wala ng trees. Although they are trying to preserve like some parts of the parks here, I forgot the name, pero it's not enough. Kasi dito sa Pilipinas ang problema, mas maraming semento. Mas maraming cement jungle as we call it. Kesa rin talagang trees. Di ba dapat equal yan, balance siya para masustain pa rin yung tamang environment. Kaya lang yung problema dito, mas maraming structures kesa sa environment. Yun ang problema dito. So if I would compare it, let's go back. Kung saan ako nakatira na sa Makati, na parang for some reason, may-maintain nila yung madaming trees. So iba pa rin yung environment naman. Pag nandito na ako, parang totally different world.
I absolutely. Next question, how do you see Manila now?
How do I see Manila now? Unfortunately, Manila has already lost its glory for me. Hindi na siya kasi na wow, Manila. Although Manila is still a nice place to live in a sense that everything is accessible. But aside from that, I don't think I I would choose to stay in Manila because of reasons like, yung mga minention natin na news. Kasi wala na siya yung talagang, pag sinabi mo kasi Manila, historical. Sinabi mo Manila, siya talaga yung center ng Philippines, yung capital. Kaya rin wala na siyang ganun state. Itong Intramuros is not even preserved. Yun ang problema.
Last question po. What makes Manila a city worth living in?
The only reason why this is worth living is because of the accessibility of areas like church, hospitals, malls. Aside from that, I don't see other reasons why Manila is worth living. Yun lang, talagang nandito sa lahat. For life, if you're going to the rural areas, you really have to travel. Don't get just don't throw away, meron ng malls. Don't throw away again, nandito na yung isang establishment. Pero aside from that, I don't see any reason why.
That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.